Hi, this is Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have George. He's come in. He's a baseball player. He plays for a couple of teams right now, for a high school and for a travel team, and he's a pitcher. So he's coming in with some elbow problems. We've done some evaluation and some diagnosis. So we're thinking that he has some tendinosynovitis or some tendon inflammation with some muscle trigger point involvement. So we're having trigger points in his forearm, up his the back of his arm, in his shoulder, in his neck, back to the back of the shoulder blades, and here in the mid-axilla. So what we're doing here is what we've done right now. We've done some electronic stimulation. So electronic stimulation is going to be a machine that helps bring blood to the area. It contracts the muscle and helps relax and eliminate those trigger points. What we've also done is we've done some active release or myofascial release techniques. So we've gotten in here. We've as you'll see on the video, we've had him do some motions and some movements during breaking up some soft tissue, and we definitely found how some of that soft tissue is releasing and how these trigger points are causing him pain that will radiate down the arm into the shoulder, so on and so forth. So even though he came in with elbow pain, we've discovered that he's also having some shoulder involvement. So we're going to do, once we do the active release technique that we've already done, soft tissue therapy, electronic stimulation, we move into the chiropractic manipulation phase. So here we found some restrictions in the neck on both sides, in the upper back, and we're going to go ahead and perform some chiropractic adjustments now. Okay, so you can step right over here for video. You can sit right where you're at. Let me have you move just a tad forward for me, right there, and just lean your upper body back right here, okay? I want you to relax here. We're going to start here on the right side. And we definitely have some restriction right in here. Okay, I want you to relax here. Relax your head, relax your body. Good. Relax right here for me. Very good, excellent. Okay, good movement. All right, let me have you lay face down right on this table. Okay. We're still going to try to get some movement here in the upper back and then the neck, the transition segments. Breathe in all the way out and relax. Good. Same thing here. Breathe in all the way out and relax. Very good. Okay, relax right here for me. Take a deep breath in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. Completely exhale. Very good. Let's have you have a seat facing this wall right over here. Good. And we're going to get in here on the elbow. We're going to try to get some movement here, okay? Good. Pull back towards yourself a little bit right there. Okay, bring your hand up like this. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. All right, we're good. Thank you very much.